Mr. Straight, Miss Major, Matty, Miss Walters, Mr. Hammond, students and staff, and welcome to the school year for 2025.
Thank you, Mr. Straight, for giving us this privilege of opening the first assembly for this year and having the pleasure of addressing the entire school from Year 4 to Year 12. We are so excited to be here to bring in the new school year and share this special day.
We'd like to take this opportunity to warmly welcome each and every one of you. To all the familiar faces, it's great to see you back. And to all the new students and staff members joining us, we look forward to getting to know you. We warmly welcome you, and our Mount Scopes community will embrace you with open arms and beyond your time here. Welcome and enjoy the Scopes experience. We wish everyone an exciting and fulfilling year ahead.
We'd like to give a special welcome to our new Grade 4 students. We know this is a big step for you as you join our school family in Burwood for the very first time. Remember, we are all here to support you as you explore your new surroundings, get to know where everything is, and hopefully, very quickly, start to feel at home.
A warm welcome also goes to our Year 7 students. You've officially entered the world of high school, and we know you have such an exciting chapter ahead. This is your chance to discover new, amazing opportunities, share new experiences, and make lasting memories. Take it from us, the journey goes quickly. And in no time, you'll be here in Year 12, wondering where the time went. So enjoy, and make the most of every moment.
And now to the class of 2025, as we embark on our final year of high school. Wow, the time really has gone quickly. We want to wish you all the best of luck for this important and special year ahead.
We know this will be a year of dedication and hard work, but we also hope you will take the time to enjoy the journey. It's our time to shine, to be leaders, and to leave our mark on our beloved school.
We're so excited to share the last year together.
And we know this will be our best year yet.
On the topic of savouring the moment, we want to remind you of our school metaphor for this year, which is a flower. Flowers represent beauty and growth, which we see in every student at Scopus. But moreover, flowers can remind us to pause and really stop and smell the roses.
In the hustle of daily school life, it's easy to get swept up in assignments, exams, and the rush of it all. But in the wise words of Ferris Bueller, life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you can miss it.
We want to encourage everyone to take the time to appreciate all that school has to offer. Learning new things, having fun with friends, getting involved in activities, creating unforgettable memories, and making the most of school life.
Just as a garden thrives when everything comes together, we too will support each other, work together, and strengthen connections to make our school and ourselves the best we can be.
Like the blossoming of a flower, we look forward to seeing you all grow and thrive this year, and we want to wish you all the best year ahead.
Before we go, we would like to remind you that our first GBH Kabbalah Shabbat service starts tonight at 6 p.m. We look forward to seeing you there.
Thank you, and